Let's solve some math problems here. All right, we're given here a graph. The endpoints of this line here, line segment, are at points -2, 5 and 2, 5. What is the slope-intercept equation for this line? Okay, the slope-intercept form of the line is in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. All right. Now to solve for the equation of this line, since we're given here 2 points, and we can use the slope formula, which is just equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we're given here 2 points, -2, 5, and 2, -5. So let's say this is our x sub 1, y sub 1. This one is x sub 2, y sub 2. And now we can plug in the points to our formula. So this is just -5 minus 5 over 2 minus -2. Okay. So our slope is just equal to -10 over 4, or we can reduce this to -5 over 2. We divide both our numerator and denominator by 2. So this is our slope here. Now our equation would be y equals -5/2 x plus b. Now we need to solve for our b to write the equation in the slope-intercept form. So how are we going to do that? Since we are given 2 points here, we can use either of the 2 points and plug into our equation here to solve for b. So let's say we choose the first point, -2, 5. So choose point -2, 5, and then we plug into our equation, which is y equals -5/2 x plus b. Okay, this is x, this is y, so we plug in 5 equals -5/2 times -2 plus b. 2 here cancels out, and then we are left with -5 times -1 is +5 plus b. Therefore, b is just equal to, okay, we subtract 5 from both sides, and b is just equal to 0. Therefore, our equation, our slope-intercept equation would be y equals -5/2 x plus 0, or just simply y equals -5/2 x. We disregard 0 here. So let's take a look at the choices here. We don't have -5/2, so everything, except letter C, everything is in their mixed fraction form. So we can write -5/2 as -2 and 1/2 x. So we look for the option that has -2 and 1/2. So this one. So that means this is our answer, letter D. Okay, let's solve another problem here. If the base of this triangle is 6 and the height is 1, what is the area? So to solve for the area of the triangle, we use the formula area equals 1/2 base times height. So we're given here the base, which is equal to 6, and then the height equals 1. Then we just simply plug into the formula. So that is 1/2 times 6 times 1. So this is 6 over 2. Therefore, the area is equal to 3. So this is our answer here. And solve another one. Solve for y. Y squared plus 5y plus 13 equals negative 3y plus 1. Alright, so to solve this, let's move all of the terms to one side. So in this case, let's move all of the terms to the left. So that would be y squared plus 5y plus 13. So we move negative 3y plus 1 to the left. This would become plus 3y minus 1, then equals 0. Then we group like terms. 5y and 3y go together. So our equation would be y squared plus 8y. Then 13 minus 1 is 12 equals 0. And then we can factor this quadratic equation. Okay, let's look for factors of 12 that when we multiply them, it would equal to positive 12. And when we add them up, it would equal to 8. So the factors would be 6 and 2. And then now we can equate each factor to 0 to solve for the values of y. Then y is equal to negative 6 or y equals negative 2. So the answer here is letter B. Okay, let's solve another one here. The volume of the brick is. So we're given here the dimensions of the brick since the brick is a rectangular prism, then we can use its volume formula for a rectangular prism. So that would be length times width times height. So we're given here 8, 3, and 4, so we just have to multiply them. Okay. Therefore, the volume is equal to 96. So this is our answer here. Okay, let's solve another one here. Square root of 27 over 3. So 27 is divisible by 3, so we can just simply directly divide 27 by 3. So that would square root of 9, and square root of 9 is just equal to 3. So this is our answer here.